Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor, March 7th. We had the grains higher today. So coming into a USDA report tomorrow, we were higher. Corn up 2 3/4, beans up 7 1/2. We've got wheat up 11 3/4 cents. So this is a pretty strong move for wheat, up 11 3/4. But we've got to remember, this is about half of what we were down yesterday. So even though, yes, it feels kind of good, everyone's waiting for a bounce for wheat, it's still for the week not looking good. But we've got a USDA report out tomorrow. Guys are expecting to see ending stocks increase for wheat, increase in corn, looking for a slight decrease for beans. But the bigger story out of the beans, I think what we've got to watch is what's going to happen here out of South America. So what's USDA going to say here as far as Brazil and Argentina? Probably not going to see much change out of Brazil. Maybe see a little decrease here out of Argentina. How much, we'll have to see. But still, beans are pushing toward that $15 level. Corn trying to get back up near $7 again. We saw a pretty negative day yesterday, but we were able to stay in the green here today going into that. Now that's with export sales today coming out friendly for beans, friendly in the wheat, but really not good for corn. So we'll see how that looks tomorrow. I think with the boost in grains today may have been a little bit coming from the dollar being weaker today, down about 36 cents. We had the European central banks keep rates unchanged again, and that had dropped the dollar back, thinking that we're going to see the same thing here from Bernanke and continue to print money. As far as energies, we've been hovering around this $90 a barrel. We did dip below that briefly over the last week, but now a $1.15 rally today for crude oil, 91.60. Energy markets are a little stronger today. Once again, maybe because this dollar had set back. And if we start to see this as a trend with the dollar continuing to drift lower, that may try to boost these energy prices, maybe try to get crude oil back up near that $95 a barrel level once again. As far as livestock, interesting day. April cattle down about 50 cents. These back months, June on out, looking about 30 cents higher. Now, little mixed trade. We've seen box beef over the last several days extremely strong. Once again today, choice during the morning session, choice up about 96 cents, select up 54, so continuing its path higher. But we're still waiting to see this cash market really take effect. Now, we did see Texas trade 128. We did see Kansas 128.50, so that's about 50 cents higher than last week. So we'll see if we can continue that, but we need to get this cash market to firm up a little bit in order to get things, or at least to get that emotion turned around for cattle. Now in hogs, big day today for hogs, up 265. So, and that was higher, up 265. A lot of times, and actually over the last several weeks, we've been sharply lower. Today, we are seeing some progress here with China, with these China negotiations. Smithfield's conference call actually a little bit positive, keeping more of a firmer tone on hogs all day today. So also talk out there that we could see, that we may have seen a little short covering after this huge decline that we've seen. Guys are finally saying, hey, maybe it's enough at these levels. But it was a strong day for hogs. Can they hold it, though? We need to see that hold, maybe get the emotion to continue to work a little bit higher. But the lows that we've currently had need to hold to get this charts to turn around as well. Still, right now, we have not taken out last week's highs. If we are able to take that out this week and actually close above that, that will look pretty good for hogs and maybe signal some more strength. But as of right now, looks good today. We've got to be able to hold that, though. Give us a call if you guys have any questions out there. You can reach us at 800-262-7538 or check us out online, allendale-inc.com. Hope you had a great day today, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.